O que é a vida? É o princípio da morte. O que é a morte? É o fim da vida. O que é a existência?
It's a very dreary day in Leander, Texas, and we are at the filming site of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This is the Bagdad Cemetery. It's where they filmed the opening scene. I would say it's about 15 minutes outside of Round Rock, Texas, which Round Rock is about 20 minutes, give or take, outside of Austin, Texas. This has to be one of the creepiest cemeteries I've been to ever. There's a bunch of these, I guess, above ground crypts here, and most of them are cracked open. Some of them are a lot worse than this one too, and you could actually kind of see inside. I don't know much about crypts like this. I'm not sure if the body is buried directly inside of there, or if it's buried a little bit underground and the crypt is built over. I have no idea, but I mean, some of these you can look inside and you can see stuff, so it's kind of weird. But everything is pretty much overgrown, and the cemetery doesn't seem to be kept up with very well. Everywhere you go, there's broken tombstones, cracked open crypts like that right there. This is a really old one right here. I can see a crypt in front of me that's falling apart. Very eerie. We wanted to also go to the old farmhouse that's in Kingsland, Texas, but I'm afraid we just don't have time today. So we're gonna have to save that for next time we are in the area. Not sure when that will be, but eventually I'd love to see that and the gas station. But those are a little. Those areas are in the opposite direction that we're going, so pretty cool.